Automobile, housework, and work. We have from byczone. It's a 3/8 Ratchet, 12-volt cordless with 2 Leon batteries. Comes in a nice case, an instruction manual, your sockets in different sizes. You get about 6 of them, and a ratchet. And we use our ratchet to show how to hang a street light, and we're going to show you how this works. We have here is the Leon battery. It's plug and play. You simply match up the 2 switches here to the 2 notches here, slide it in, and you have a locking tab on and off, and it runs the ratchet. And this is lefty loosey, righty tighty, and you simply take the socket, place on and off, and you squeeze the trigger. There's all there is to it. It's yellow and black with rubber grip area and solid yellow, and the logo black and yellow with silver. You get the charging cable, simply plug into your power. It has a green light. Take the battery and match the triangulars and the tabs up correctly, and it turns red. When it turns green, you're fully charged. You got your sockets. They come in a plastic bag, nicely wrapped, enough to get you started, and simply take each of the sockets and fit in correctly to the area they belong, or a spare socket is there for you. Everything fits into the spot. The socket handle with the battery removed. Simply pull the 2 tabs, release, and it lays in there flush, and the batteries fit over here, and the battery charger. There is enough room to put a tape measure in and so forth, and then you're able to lock up. The Ratchet has 40 foot-pound maximum to do any type of job imaginable, small jobs to big jobs. It takes the ease of using a manual, do it by automatic by simply holding and locking or unlocking those bolts. You can use adapters and optional parts for your ratchet. Grab the ratchet, grab a socket, use it to take off and on bolts. Place on and hard to reach areas, able to get into. Going to put it up the height we want it. We're going to speed this process up with a ratchet tool. Located on the side will be your charging indicator, how much power is left, and the light. We're taking off the sockets, and we're taking off the bolt and nut. It's right angled to get into those hard to reach spaces. Put an extension on. It does not extend. It is a nice weight socket and ratchet set. Nice carrying case, everything that you need to get started.